Marami ang nagulat sa pagre-resign ng reigning Miss Grand International 2024 na si Rachel Gupta. Sa kanyang Instagram ay nagbigay si Rachel ng official statement tungkol sa pagsasauli niya ng corona sa Miss Grand International. Ayon kay Rachel, "It is with deep regret that I share this news. I have made the decision to step down as Miss Grand International 2024 and return my crown. Being crowned was one of the most cherished dreams of my life, and I was filled with hope and pride to represent my country and make history." Hindi man tinukoy ng diretso ni Rachel ang dahilan ng kanyang pagre-resign or pag-step down, pero nagbigay siya ng ilang pahiwatig at pagkadismaya. Dagdag pa ni Rachel, "However, the months following my crowning have been marked by broken promises, mistreatment, and a toxic environment I can no longer endure in silence. This decision was not made lightly." Sa bandang huli, sinabi ni Rachel na maglalabas siya ng buong video para ipaliwanag ang mga issue. "In the coming days, I will be releasing a full video sharing the details behind this difficult journey." Nakiusap naman ito na sana ay maintindihan ng mga fans ang kanyang ginawa. "I ask for your compassion, your open hearts, and your continued support as I take this next step. Your love means more than you know. To all my supporters around the world, I'm truly sorry if this news has disappointed you. Please know this wasn't an easy decision, but it was the right one for me. The truth will come out very soon. I love you all more than words can express. Thank you for standing by me." Ilang netizens naman ang nagbigay ng opinyon tungkol sa issue na ito. Ayon sa isa, "It takes great strength and wisdom to know when to move forward in a new direction. Your legacy will continue to inspire no matter where life takes you." Samantala, ibibigay ang nasabing pag-reign at corona kay Miss Grand International Philippines 2024 na si Christine Julian Opiaza, na siyang first runner-up sa Miss Grand International 2024 na ginanap sa Bangkok, Thailand.